Make a banner for the Year of the Dragon. Materials. If you don't like to sew, you can use craft glue or a glue gun instead. Felt sheets, 1 each of 5 colors, plus 1 thicker black sheet, in gold, white, teal, red, and black. Needle and embroidery thread, scissors, straight pins, 12-inch length of twine, and a 12-inch dowel. Download the pattern at the link on this slide or in the description box below. Cut out the pieces. Use the pattern sheets to cut out the felt pieces. It will be helpful to pin the patterns to the felt with straight pins, then cut around the outlines. Prepare the banner. The thick black felt sheet will be the banner surface. 1. Sew the 2 teal sleeves to the top of the black banner surface. Fold each piece over the banner as shown, then sew a straight line across the bottom edges using black thread. You'll be sewing through the back side of the sleeve. Don't worry if your sewing looks messy on the back. It won't be visible when you hang the banner. 2. Sew on the bottom fringe. Sew the fringe to the bottom edge of the banner surface using black thread. The top of the fringe should slightly overlap the bottom edge of the banner with the triangular shapes hanging loose. 3. The dowel will slide through the sleeves. You can remove the dowel for now. Sew the dragon's head. Note, you can use black thread for all the sewing, although white thread is preferable for the white eye pieces. 1. Sew the dragon's antlers to the back of the dragon's head in the position shown. Sew a straight line across the bottom edge to tack each antler down. Leave the rest loose. 2. Sew on the gold eye shape to the front of the dragon's head in the position shown. Make small close stitches around the edge. This piece should cover whatever stitches show through from the antlers. 3. Using white thread, sew the white eye pieces to the gold shape. To attach the black pupils, use black thread to sew a straight line down the center of each pupil. First, sew around the white eye shapes using white thread. Then, sew a straight black line down the center of each pupil to attach it, 2 or 3 stitches. Next, sew the gold whiskers to the front of the dragon's head in the position shown. Sew a straight line across the top edge to tack each antler down. Leave the rest loose. Now, sew on the nose in the position shown. Position the nose shape so that a small section of the red face is visible underneath. Then sew down. Leave the overhanging edges loose. Sew on the nostrils. You can tack down each nostril by sewing a small black X in the center. Sew on the pieces. Position the pieces as shown and pin down. If it's too difficult to pin the pieces to the thick banner surface, you can secure each piece with a single pin poked straight down through the backing. Be sure to leave room at the bottom of the banner for the dragon head to come later. Sew on the numbers using small close stitches around the edges. Then, sew on the red body in the same way. Sew on the gold spines and blue tail in the position shown. Sew a straight black line across the center of the tail, leave the edges loose. Sew down the bottom edge of the spines, leave the tops loose. Sew on the dragon head as shown. Sew a straight black line along the center of the face and leave everything else loose. Add the twine. Insert the dowel in the sleeves, then tie the twine to each end. Hang on the wall and you're done! Happy Lunar New Year! Year of the Dragon!